Hello, I want to say welcome back to our health and wellness family. And if you're new here, I want to say welcome to the family. Today I'm going to make 5 healthy snacks in 5 minutes. So let's get started. The first snack we're going to make is a yogurt, fruit, and nuts bowl. Pour some yogurt in a small bowl. Next, add some strawberry pieces. Add the strawberry pieces to the bowl. Next, add some blueberries. Add as much blueberries as you like. Blueberries are brain food with lots of antioxidants. Next, add some nuts. They provide lots of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. I have a short video of how I make my 7 nuts and seed jar. You can check that out. Add whatever nuts and seeds you like. You can top off your first snack with some strawberry pieces. Now for a second snack, a delicious berry smoothie. You can use fresh or frozen berries or a mixture of whatever you prefer. Add half a cup or a cup of milk. Add a scoop of protein powder. Add 1 beet. Add a cup of water. Add about half a cup of yogurt. Just blend. So there you have it, a delicious berry smoothie. Now for our third snack, let's start with some mushrooms. Cut some mushroom into small pieces. Next, add some small slices of onion. Cut up some scallions. I'm gonna harvest some basil from my little kitchen garden. Basil has lots of health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It has lots of antioxidants. It also has anti-cancer benefit. It helps with digestive health, and it also helps with stress and anxiety. A handful or so is good to make our basil bites. We're gonna also add a cup or 2 of spinach. Let's start by adding a tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic olive oil. Put all the veggies in the pot to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir frequently. I am using my 21 seasoning mix, but you can just add your favorite seasoning. Add some basil seasoning. Add some black pepper. Add some red pepper flakes. This is optional. Add a pinch of salt. Add a cup or two of spinach. Add a handful of fresh basil leaves. And lastly, add a handful of cheese. Stir evenly. Put your sautéed veggies on a serving plate. Add some cherry tomatoes. We're going to use the all-natural pizza sauce. Spread the pizza sauce evenly onto toast. Next, add our veggie mixture to the toast. This is such an easy and healthy snack. You can use it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner as well. Yummy! Now for our fourth healthy snack. Add 1 tablespoon of hummus to 1 toast. Spread evenly on the toast. Healthy and delicious. Now for our final healthy snack. Cut up a nice juicy apple into some wedges. Apple is heart healthy, good for blood sugar control, helps with weight loss, has fiber, has lots of antioxidants. It also has the cancer-fighting antioxidant quercetin. It also has vitamin C and vitamin E, and it's also great for digestive health and much more wonderful health benefits. Add some almond butter to a small bowl for dipping. To help you improve your health, download my free Natural and Holistic Health Guide at my Stand store. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.